Okay, so Nenako, I'm going to show you how to install Laravel. If you're beginning for the first time, so first thing before you install Laravel, or you make sure you open a XAMPP. XAMPP would come with PHP already. It will come with MySQL, SQLite, and those kind of things if you that you need in case you need them. Once you have PHP installed, I think that is enough. You can go to Laravel documentation, you can just search the of search. Come to Laravel installation, there's just a few instructions here you can follow. Uh, so they're saying before you create your first Laravel, make sure you have a machine that has PHP. So you install XAMPP, so you already have PHP. For Composer, you just click on this link. Mm, yeah, you will come here and download. It's very easy. It's just like any other application. And the Laravel installer, if you need this one, but it's not a must for you to put this one. In addition, you should install either Node or Node VPM. Again, if you're not going to use JavaScript stuff, you don't need to do that now. You can still do them later. So PHP and Composer must. Uh, they're saying if you don't have PHP or Composer, okay, I'll just keep to Windows. So the Laravel installer, they have said there is no need for you to install. You can still do it this way. Yeah, but again, you don't need because you can still write the composer commands in full. But if you install Laravel installer, instead of typing some very long commands, it will be very short. So you can just copy this one. Uh, I like using PowerShell for start, so I'll open my PowerShell. I already have this thing installed, and I'll go to my htdocs. So let me go to my htdocs. XAMPP installed. I'll come here. This is where most of my projects are. I'll open terminal. Yeah. So I'll do them while I'm here because most of my projects for Laravel, I'll just put them in htdocs. Let me delete this one first. So I'll remove this Zaria here because that's the one I'm going to use. Good. So the project is gone. Okay. So once you install that, you're good. So anytime you need to install a new Laravel application, just say Laravel new, then the name of that project. But you do it while in your htdocs because that's where you want it to go. Um, Just that. So for Laravel so documentation, just that is enough. So because I already have Composer, PHP installed, this Laravel is thing, this one, global, Laravel installer installed globally. When I need to install a new project, I want it to go to, htdocs. So I'll come to htdocs, right click to open terminal, or you can still navigate to this one. So see, must you go every time to htdocs and right click and say terminal, or you can do it from VS Code. It's still okay. So I'm installing a new project. I'll just say Laravel new, then the name of the project. Let's say Zaria, Zaria, Zaria T, because there's another one called Zaria, and I press on enter. And basically, that's the whole command. Will you like to install no starter kit? So I'll just say none. I just like doing everything from scratch myself. PHP testing unit, PHP of course. Would you like to initialize Git repo? If you're going to use GitHub, it's okay. Just say yes. If not, still okay. You can still do it even after. So it's creating my projects and downloading the files and things, stuff, and I'll just wait for it to finish. So with good internet, it can take just a few minutes. Should be okay. So this one should be almost. And again, if you get errors here, you just check which error you're getting. But for the first time, you're not supposed to be getting any errors. Okay, I'm going to pause and let it complete, then I continue. Okay, it's done. So it has done the installation and stuff. So it's here, which database will your application use. So I'm going to use my SQL. So it's just my SQL. But you already have them. So all those that are there, you can still use them. So the fact that you're just putting my SQL shouldn't scare you. So yeah, the project is done. Build something amazing. So that is how you install a Laravel project. Very quick, very fast. So the other thing is now to test it and see if it runs. I can still navigate to the project folder via here, or I can go to VS Code. So let me come here and see where it is. I'll refresh. There it is here. So Laravel will have these folders for you already done, and this .env, Composer. These are just some of the important files. So you can open VS Code and open the entire project folder. So I'll just right click here. Can I open VS Code file here? Nah. Uh, so I'll cd into Zaria T. Yeah, but you can still do this by just opening VS. Oh, okay, let me not use commands. They'll sound complicated. So let me open VS Code, just the normal way. Visual Studio Code. Just like this, and I'll go to. So in VS Code, you just say open folder because you're opening the entire folder and select your project here. Yeah, yeah, like that. It has opened your project. Yeah, just I wanted to do that using commands because I'm used to commands, but yeah, this is how fast and easy you can do it. Then once you're here, you can now run your projects. I was using PowerShell, but it's still okay. It's still here. It's called terminal. So whatever I was doing here, I can still come and read here. So the command for running a Laravel is php artisan serve, just like that, and you're done. So it's telling you server running on this one, so you can control and click on it. It will open on your browser. Yes. So if you see this page, that means your Laravel project was correctly installed and it's running and it's fine. So we usually do it on a browser. Yeah. So if you come to VS Code, it's here on terminal. Yeah, but you can still close it, still work. If you need to go back, just open the terminal again by going to view. There's option for terminal or using this shortcut. If you want to stop it, you just press Control C. You have stopped it. And once you stop it, if you come back to your browser and refresh, it won't show. It said the site can't be reached because you have stopped it. So every time you need to run it locally, you just have to do PHP and stuff like that. And you come back and refresh. Yeah, still that's done that already. So yeah, that is how you create a new Laravel project. Very fast, very easy. Thank you.